एक्सपोजिशन टायम आसा, एक्सपोजिशन चालू आसा आनी अशें आयकलां की फादर रॉब गॅलिया येता म्हणून. शेड्यूल कितें आसा ताजो?
फादर रॉब गालिया 6 तारखेर, डिसेंबराचे 6 तारीख येतलो, 6th of December. He is celebrating Mass on the 6th at 6:15 in the Pendol.
Okay.
English Mass at 6:15, that is a regular Mass. And 7th and 8th, we have the concert, the biblical or the religious concert at the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. These are organized by the Catholic Charismatic Renewal together with the Exposition Committee. So 7th and 8th, 2 days are the shows.
Okay.
The tickets are available also in the parishes, also at the stall. I think they are available in every parish with the charismatic groups. So I request also people to come and support the cause of the Catholic Charismatic Renewal, the channel of God's love. Whatever proceeds will go to the channel of God's love that we have in Goa, which is run by the Catholic Charismatic Renewal.
It's a part of the exposition also?
It is done as a part of the exposition. So everything that is done during these days is part of the exposition. That is the mind of the diocese. Nobody should work independently because we are speaking of a synodal church. So everything that is done should be done.
What time will be the program?
The program, I'm not very sure. The timing, I think it's maybe 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
And 2 days?
2 days. It is on the 7th and 8th of December.
Thank you. Okay, tell me your name.
My name is Sanaya Monteiro and I'm from Karansare.
Okay, tell us what you all are doing here at the feast here.
So we have come here for, Father Rob's concert is there on the 7th and 8th of December, and we are very excited for, the concert, and we are wishing that every one of them who has come here for the exposition can come for this concert as well. It is really amazing to have a priest up on stage proclaiming God and singing for the glory of God.
So it will be a 2-day concert.
Yes, a 2-day concert, and it starts at 6:45 p.m.
Okay. How long is the concert?
6 to 9.
6 to 9.
6 to 9.
How excited you are about
I'm
this?
excited. We are performing on the 8th. We are the YFOC Goa band opening up on the 8th for Father Rob. And the shows in Bangalore and Mumbai have gone hit, so I'm expecting. I hope Goa also takes the advantage and come and praise God together along with all of us, the youth and everybody.
What will be your message to Goan, especially when you talk about this concert?
See, we are given an opportunity with a priest coming, and I think so all Goans are musicians, they have music in them, so why not proclaim it and do it up for God and the glory of God.
Thank you.